with this, I go on to making the announcements for the next round of Scotch Order of Merit on your screen now. So I have the pleasure of inviting Ms. Seema Bharti, Joint Commissioner. You just heard her speak from the Commercial Taxes Department, Government of Bihar. Web-based centralized DMS software for uploading digitized documents for secure storage and accessibility of documents.
नमस्कार। जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि हमारे डिपार्टमेंट ने ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम अडॉप्ट किया, उसके कारण हमारे ऑफिसेज में काफ़ी स्पेस निकला और हमारे ऑफिसर को हमने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अब एकोमोडेट किया है। जो हमारा नंबर्स था ऑफिसर्स का, वो आज के डेट में डबल हो चुका है और उनके लिए हमने बहुत सारा स्पेस निकाला है। और हमारे जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे जो पहले हमारे ऑफिसेज में रखे हुए थे, आज के डेट में वो सेफली और सिक्योरिटी के साथ वेयर हाउस में रखे गए हैं, जिसका कि हमको फायदा ये मिलता है कि हम अब डिजिटाइज्ड होने के कारण एक क्लिक में हम उसको रिट्रीव कर पाते हैं। तो इससे हम दूसरे स्टेट्स में भी इस तरह का प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा होगा और काम किया होगा लोगों ने, और वो फील कर सकते हैं कि ये कितना अच्छा एक प्रोजेक्ट है, जिससे कि हमें नया स्पेस हम लोगों ने खोजा नहीं, बल्कि अपने ही डिपार्टमेंट में, अपने ही ऑफिसेज में नया स्पेस को खोजने की बजाय हमने उसको ये कर लिया, स्पेस बढ़ा दिया, जो स्पेस हमारे
निकाल लिया। I can understand, क्योंकि आपकी जगह जो आपके पास कम पड़ रही थी, वो आप ऑफिसर्स को बैठाने के लिए आपको मिल गई। सारा प्रोसेस हो गया, सबका एक्सेसिबिलिटी जो है 1 क्लिक पे अब अवेलेबल है, तो सिस्टम ट्रांसपेरेंट हो गया और एफिशिएंट हो गया। तो कुल मिलाकर के जो है डिपार्टमेंट को इसका इजाफा ही मिला है और इसके लिए हम आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देते हैं। बहुत अच्छा काम है और भगवान चाहे इसको आप आगे बढ़ाएं।
जी, थैंक यू स्कॉच टीम कि आपने इस प्रोजेक्ट को रिकॉग्नाइज किया। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Mr. Chandrasekharam Rentala, Joint Commissioner and Nodal Officer, Department of Labor, Government of Telangana, for online services.
Thank you very much to Scotch Group for recognizing our efforts. Of course, industry also appreciated, and the panelists and everybody who has seen that and appreciate our efforts, and it encourages us to take it forward and move forward and do more things. Thank you once again.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
And now invite Commissioner Mr. Yunus from Department of State Taxes and Excise, Government of Himachal Pradesh, e-governance system for excise function. The next one also goes to the Department of State Taxes.
I'm there, sir. I'm there.
All right.
Yeah, I'm there on behalf of Commissioner, sir, Mr. Yunus.
Please.
Yeah, he's engaged in some official meeting. So yeah, about this project, sir. This project is regarding stopping the curb the pilferages of liquor chain and for efficient and transparent service delivery. So the department is implementing an e-governance system for excise function. Basically, this project is envisaged with the aim to build an information and communication technology-driven integrated excise supply chain management system, sir. So it's all about the pilferages and to curb the movement supply chain of the liquor, sir.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you for having us here, sir.
Well, congratulations to you and the entire team.
Thank you, sir.
The next one also goes to the Department of State Taxes and Excise, Himachal Pradesh, computerization of VAT.
Sir, very sincere thanks again for selecting us for this semi-final round, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations once again. Dr. Jayakumar Kurupasamy, Additional Chief Secretary, Department of Tourism and Civil Aviation, Government of Sikkim, for transformational initiatives for Sikkim tourism and sustaining homestay operations in Sikkim. Mr. J.S. Chahil, Executive Engineer, Department of Water Supply and Sanitation, Government of Punjab, for water tariff policy for sustainable large surface water supply projects in rural Punjab. The next one also goes to the Department of Water Supply and Sanitation, Punjab, for mobilizing communities for transforming rural water supply in district Amritsar. Yet another one for the Department of Water Supply and Sanitation, Government of Punjab, real-time monitoring of water supply schemes. A fourth one for the Department of Water Supply and Sanitation, Punjab, for revenue monitoring and budgeting system. Ms. B. Das Gupta, Additional Commissioner from Directorate of Commercial Taxes, Government of West Bengal, for my task. Mr. Alok Kumar Pandey, Director, Directorate of Employment and Training, Labor and Employment Department, Government of Gujarat, for Rozgar Setu. Mr. Sadiq Alam, Director, Online Rebate Management System, from Directorate of Industries, Government of Odisha. Mr. Prabodh Saxena, Additional Chief Secretary, District Good Governance Index, Himachal Pradesh, from Economics and Statistics Department, Government of Himachal Pradesh. Mr. TVSN Prasad, Additional Chief Secretary, Finance Department, Haryana, for digital voucher and paperless transaction in treasuries.
Thank you very much, sir. This is Mithilesh Gupta, sir, Joint Director, Treasury and Accounts Department, on behalf of Finance Secretary, sir. And thank you very much, sir, for this merit work. Thank you, sir.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Ms. Chotan Lama, Secretary and Nodal Officer, Finance, Planning and Statistics Department, Government of West Bengal, for Dware Sarkar.
Namaskar, Dr. Danjal, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Dr. Dhanjal, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to thank the Scotch Group for the recognition bestowed upon the Dware Sarkar program. It's a unique initiative of a citizen-centric administrative innovation of the government of West Bengal. And I would like to thank you on behalf of the state, as especially by of the planning and statistics department. We have been able to deliver services to 4 crore citizens through this initiative, and these different schemes and services that have been delivered have been aligned with the UN SDG goals. And we have also focused on the health, livelihoods, social security, education, food security, social justice sectors, and we have reached out to the unreached, the never reached, and these include people belonging to the transgenders, the elderly, women, communities from the minorities, backward classes, including tribals. The Dware Sarkar is government at your doorstep. And this is what we've actually done to overcome the digital divide that everybody is now harping about, that what happens to the people who are not able to get to the government, maneuver the different websites and the portals for accessing different government schemes, what happens to them? So we have gone to the people, we have organized initially in the first campaign, more than 32,800 camps. And this time, the second time that we did it, more than 106,000 camps, where people found the government functionaries at a stone's throw distance away from their homes, and they have accessed multiple services that were offered under the program. And these include services of more than 1.1 crore families being covered under the health insurance scheme, more than 1.5 crore women being covered under social security scheme, more than 35 lakh persons from the backward classes, SCs, STs, and OBCs being given their caste certificates, pensioners from both tribal and scheduled caste communities, as well as persons with disabilities. So the fact that the Scotch group has recognized this means a lot to us. And I would also like to thank all the citizens of the state who have reposed their faith in the government and come with such overwhelming numbers to the program. The first time we had 2.75 crore people come to these camps. The second time we have had more than 3.6 crore people come to these camps. And our delivery numbers are also huge. 1.66 crores delivered the first time, and this time round more than 2.44 crores services given. So 18 services this time round, an increase from the previous 12 schemes that we had offered, and the number of departments has also increased. And everybody has across the state have put in their efforts to make this a reality. Excellent. And we are indebted
some phenomenal work which is done at the state level, and the best wishes are with you.
Thank you very much.
Goes from point to point and scales further. And yes, congratulations to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I now invite Dr. Sanjay Kumar Shukla, Additional Principal Chief Conservator from Forest Department, Government of Madhya Pradesh, for NOC for non-forest land. Mr. Mangaldas Gaonkar from Goa Excise Department and National Informatics Center, Goa Excise Management System. Mr. A.J. Shah, Chairman, Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board, digitization of mark sheets since 1950, and online application to deliver duplicate mark sheets.
Sir, thank you very much. I am expressing my gratitude towards the Scotch team for recognizing our efforts. Sir, it has benefited to more than 5 crore students of the state. And during this Corona time, sir, it has helped us a lot. During the coming years also, it will help the whole public of the whole state, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
The next one also goes to the Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board. A question paper box authentication and tracking application.
Sir, thank you very much for selecting us for the second award also, sir. After all, it has helped us, and we have able to prevent the malpractices in the transportation of question papers, and it has created trust in the system, whole system, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Commissioner, Mr. T.H.M. Kumar from Handlooms and Textiles Department, Government of Karnataka, for scheme for establishment of small and micro textile units for SC/ST entrepreneurs.
Yeah, thank you. On behalf of my commissioner, I am Yogesh speaking. This scheme is actually only for SC and ST beneficiary of the state. And the financial assistance already told, it is about 75% on capital assets and 15% on interest subsidy. The main objective is to make SC/ST, that is scheduled caste and scheduled tribes entrepreneurs, to make industrialists, and thereby their income level should be risen. And the other objective, that is, I can say that objective is to become an employer rather than employee. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for selecting the.
An excellent objective, and I'm sure you have the target very clear in your mind. So backed by that, the results that it has already given are something to talk about.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes. I now invite Mr. Alok Kumar, Director, ICDS, Department of Social Welfare, Government of Bihar.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Director, sir, is in training some other place. So I am Shweta Sahai, Nodal Officer, ECC, on the behalf of Director, sir. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, Scotch team, for recognizing this category. And ये हमारा second chance है. हमने second बार ये apply किया था और second chance हमने qualify किया. एक बहुत ही बड़ा initiative लिया गया था state government की तरफ से कि हमारे जो ICDS फंक्शनरीज है और साथ ही साथ जो कम्युनिटी है, लाइक पेरेंट्स हैं, आंगनबाड़ी सेंटर्स में जो बच्चे आते हैं, उनके पेरेंट्स और बच्चे सभी को हम लोग कोविड काल के दौरान में जो हम लोगों ने उनकी स्किल बिल्डिंग करी है और कंटेंट जो कंटेंट हमने डेवलप किया है, उस पे हमने ये अपना क्वालिफाई किया है. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू, एंड थैंक यू डिग्निटरीज. थैंक यू स्कॉच.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you,
Mr.
sir.
Krishna Kumar Dwivedi, Principal Secretary, Industries and Commerce Department, Government of Assam. Online submission of claims under state industrial policy. Mr. Dinesh Patel, Superintendent and Inspector General. Inspector General of Registration and Superintendent of Stamps, Gujarat State, for automation of administration of registration, valuation, indexing, called Garvi. Mr. Rajkumar M. from Kohima.
Thank you very much, sir.
Forest.
Thank you very much, sir. First of all, I would like to thank Scotch Group for this wonderful opportunity, and thank you for recognizing us. So this project is a very low-cost, innovative project, which we undertook. We started doing it from 2020 June. And the main purpose of any award or participating in any summit is, as we feel like there should be a replicability, like we learn from others and others also get something from our project. So I would like to thank Scotch Group again, because after we participated in the project, and especially when we went for getting votes and all, the reach of the project, like not just in Nagaland, it reached other states also. And one of the initiative, a couple of initiatives from our project is being replicated in other states also now. We presented one environment awareness video based on a gender game. that is also replicated in Maharashtra by one of my junior officers. And even the project Green Box, which is setting up of a green library, which includes environment awareness book, which will be kept in villages, which acts as a continuous mode of environment awareness creation among the youth. That also being discussed in some of the other states for replication. So in that way, I feel participating in the award, like this is like whether we win or not, this is something which is the main objective for us. And I think it was good. We have to thank Scotch Group for this purpose. And based after this, the project, which was only known within Kohima, started reaching in other parts of the state as well as in other parts of the country as well. For that, we would like to thank Scotch Group for this. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Now I invite Labour Commissioner, Mr. Pranab Jyotish Nath, Labour Department, Government of Kerala, for response to COVID. Mr. Himanshu Balachandra Jain, Senior Consultant from Madhya Pradesh Revenue Department, for Online Diversion Module. Mr. Neeraj Singh from MSME and Export Promotion Department, Government of Uttar Pradesh, for MSME UP. Mr. Rahul Sharma, Secretary, Department of Panchayati Raj, Government of Jharkhand, for use of ICT for public participation. Jal Jeevan Mission from Public Health Engineering Department, Government of Assam, Mr. Akash Deep, Commissioner and Secretary. Mr. R.B. Kherbhai, Administrative Officer, Social Justice and Empowerment Department, Government of Gujarat, for E-Samaj Kalyan. Mr. Nand Kumar Netram Verma, Additional Chief Secretary, Soil and Water Conservation Department, Government of Maharashtra, for water conservation. Mr. Padmanav Behra, Joint Relief Commissioner, Special Relief Organization, Government of Odisha, for very severe cyclone. Yes, management.
Good afternoon. Actually, on behalf of Pradeep Kumar Jena, the Special Relief Commissioner Odisha, I am Dr. Kamal Lochan Misra. I was the ex-Additional Commission Relief, and right now I am Collector Nabranpur. So on the outset, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Scotch for recognizing this effort of Government of Odisha, and especially of Pradeep Kumar Jena, for handling very severe cyclonic storm Yas. Actually, the Yas, Odisha is quite known to cyclone management, but Yas was a different cyclone because it hit us in the second wave of the pandemic, COVID-19. And the entire state was reeling under the problems, and the second wave was more severe. So Yas management was a challenge. And Mr. Pradeep Kumar Jena, he was hospitalized in COVID-19, and he, at the 11th day of his isolation, he came back to the state office, SRC, Special Relief Commissioner's office, and started leading the team. And the entire mobilization of manpower, machine and materials, and pre-positioning was conducted. So the entire planning process was done on intuitive assessment, because based on our previous experience, we anticipated what could be the problem. And Mr. Jena conducted series of meetings and preparatory aspects with the different departments, and all particular service delivery systems were updated and augmented before the cyclone hit us. We almost evacuated 9 lakh people, and 8,410 shelter buildings were made ready in 72 hours. Then warning messages were delivered to the last mile, and the last mile connectivity was ensured by Mr. Jena personally. Then 52 NDRF teams, 60 ODRAF teams, and 206 fire station fire teams, and 206 tree cuttings teams they were pre-positioned at different locations. And the entire management of the manpower, machine and material was single-handedly done by Pradeep Kumar Jena, who was despite his health, he was unable to stand. So this gentleman duly has been recognized by Scotch. I extend my heartfelt thanks to Scotch for recognizing his contribution. He has been the doyen of disaster management in our state, and whatever we have been identified as the Odisha model, he is the architect of that system. So thank you very much, Scotch, for recognizing and appreciating Mr. Pradeep Jena's contribution. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity.
Congratulations, and do convey our regards to Mr. P.K. Jena. Thank you. Ms. S. Ministhi, Inspector General, Stamps and Registration Department, Government of Uttar Pradesh, for Project Prerna. Please unmute yourself. Watch team, please unmute. We cannot hear you. You are still muted. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
जी हम सुन पा रहे हैं, बोलिए, बताएं।
प्रेरणा एक सॉफ्टवेयर के माध्यम से हम सर रजिस्ट्रेशन को हमने ऑनलाइन किया है। इसमें हम रेवेन्यू से जो भूमि से संबंधित संपत्ति का विवरण उसको फेस कर लेते हैं और पब्लिक जो है अपना स्वयं देख लेती है कि सर कितना स्टाम्प पैडी और कितना रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस आएगा, उसके हिसाब से वो ऑनलाइन जमा कर देती है अपना पैसा और उसको ऑनलाइन स्टाम्प मिल जाता है, ई स्टाम्प मिल जाता है। इसके बाद वो उसका टाइम स्लॉट अलॉट हो जाता है सर, तो बहुत ही सुविधा से वो आकर के अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लेते। इससे बहुत ही हमारा जो स्टाम्प्स को खरीदने में ये होता था गवर्नमेंट का, उसकी भी काफी बचत हुई थी स्टाम्प के माध्यम से। तो ये हमारा बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल जा रहा है और हम इसके अनेक वर्जन और आगे ला रहे हैं सर, वर्जन 2 वर्जन 3 इसमें हम धीरे धीरे और सुधार करते जा रहे हैं सर। और हमारे विभाग को इस बढ़िया से हमारे ऑनर के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको।
थैंक यू सर।
Mr. Nikhilesh Kumar Gupta, Joint Director, Treasuries and Accounts Department, Government of Haryana, for Online Dairy Management System and Implementation of Digitally Signed ePPO or Revised ePPO.
Thank you very much, sir, for recognizing our project. This is Nikhilesh Gupta on behalf of Treasury and Accounts Department, Government of Haryana. Thank you, Scott. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much and congratulations. Ms. Divya Devarajan, Special Secretary, Women, Children, Disabled and Senior Citizens Welfare Department, Telangana, for Online Beneficiary Management and Monitoring System.
Thank you, Dr. Dhananjay. I hope I'm audible. And
yes, you are audible. We can't see your video still. Yes. Now we can.
Yes, thank you. So it's very nice that we were given an opportunity to do this for the differently able in our state, because we have processed around 35,000 applications this year, and each one of those 35,000 persons with disabilities would have had to go physically and apply. This is for getting their aids and appliances, be it a retrofitted scooter or a motorized wheelchair or their 3G phone. So such small things could be done electronically this time. It's also for processing the economic support scheme, which is a subsidy and a bank link scheme. So we not only were able to help them apply this online, but also process it online so that all the officials who were on COVID duty could do it with a click of a button. I hope it continues for many more years and helps more PWDs. Thank you, Scotch, for recognizing us as a semi-finalist.
Well, congratulations to you. Excellent work done. Please keep it up. We had a few participants who were not there when I announced last, so let me move on to make an announcement there. So I invite Mr. Dinesh Kumar Sharma, Principal Chief Conservator and Head of Forest Force for conservation of Asiatic lion and whale shark from the Government of Gujarat, Department of Forest. Dr. Sharma.
Can you hear me, please?
Yes, Dr. Sharma, please go ahead. We can hear you loud and clear.
Watch for recognizing our conservation efforts for two flagship species. As we know, the conservation of biodiversity is most important. We have realized this very recently after COVID phenomenon. As we know, Gir is the only home to Asiatic lion, and we have saved this species from brink of extinction. Gujarat Forest Department has worked relentlessly, taking various measures and initiatives in saving Asiatic lion and whale shark. Both are Schedule 1 species as per Wildlife Act. Here, my special thanks to local population of ecosystem who have also contributed a lot for this cause. The Gujarat Forest Department is again thankful to SCOTCH for the Order of Merit award and recognizing our services for basically conservation of nature and the biodiversity. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to you, Dr. Sharma. Excellent work. Heartiest congratulations. Move on to the next. Mr. J.S. Chahal, Executive Engineer, Department of Water Supply and Sanitation from Government of Punjab for Water Tariff Policy for Sustainable Large Surface Water Supply Projects.
Good afternoon, Dr. Bhushan. This is J.S. Chahal, Superintending Engineer from Department of Water Supply and Sanitation, Punjab. I thank SCOTCH Group for recognizing our efforts. 3 of our projects have been winning to SCOTCH Order of Merit: Water Tariff Policy, Real-Time Monitoring, and Mobilizing Rural Communities. All the 3 projects are intended objective was to provide uninterrupted and potable and clean drinking water to the rural communities of the border area districts of Punjab. That's all from my side. I once again thank SCOTCH Group for recognizing our efforts.
This is a well-deserving effort, and all the 3 projects that you mentioned have done very well, and missed you in the initial opportunity, but yes, I'm glad you could make it, and you are with us. Well, congratulations.
Thanks.
Next one, you already mentioned mobilizing communities in transforming rural water supply in District Amritsar.
Yes.
And the third one that also goes to the Department of Water Supply and Sanitation is real-time monitoring of water supply schemes.
The intent was to automatize all the rural water supply schemes so that communities get uninterrupted rural water supply scheme, drinking water.
Excellent. Congratulations once again.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
And one more, revenue monitoring and budgeting system. Chahal Saab, also to you.
This is one for SES Nagar. I guess my colleague, Mr. Michael, is there.
I don't think he's present, so
I accept this award on his behalf, sir.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us, and
thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, and wish you all the best. All the best to all the participants so far, and with this we move on to the the end of this session of announcement of SCOTCH Order of Merit. Since we have little time before we go on.
Good afternoon, sir.
Discussion. Yes.
Sir, I'm Navinder Sharma from Department of Finance. Sir, I just want to point out that new next generation. I think my mic was off.
Okay.
Sir, basically, the new next generation, we have designed this software. We have designed this application to bring efficiency in financial planning and expenditure control. And of course, now Punjab is moving towards a data-driven government, and this project is playing a vital role in expenditure control. Like we have every official, whether it's a IAS officer, whether MLA, MP, they all have some, you can say, limits on expenditure. And this next generation IFMS is taking control of all these limits, which is imposed by the Department of Finance. So you can say that's why we named it as next generation IFMS, because it is all playing with the data, how data is coming into the system, and how, of course, limitations imposed by the finance department, we can take care of that. So thank you very much, sir. Of course, 2 साल बाद मिले हैं सर आपसे।
मुलाकात होती रही, आपसे आगे भी होती रहेगी। अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, बड़ी खुशी है कि आप हमारे साथ जुड़ पाए। मैं माफी चाहता हूं कि हमने जब पहले अनाउंस किया शायद आपका माइक नहीं था ऑन या तब आपसे बातचीत नहीं हो पाई। But I'm very glad that I could converse with you, and it's fantastic. Thank you very much for being with us. And
I am Dr. Ganjal.
Yes.
I am Rosario from National Informatics Center, Goa. This I am representing the project Goa Excise Management System. I am a senior technical director and additional state informatics officer also. Department had a slight difficulty in joining the session, so I would like to just brief about the project. And first, I would like to thank the jury for giving us the opportunity to showcase our product. This Goa Excise Management System is started in the year 2013 for complete liquid transaction details, supply chain management, and the wallet payment system, which eases the life of the dealers. This Goa Excise Management System is aimed to have a goal of complete e-transaction service delivery to the business community, to the citizen, and to the government-to-government organization using the ICT tools to bring transparency, accountability in day-to-day functions, and response time is close to zero, and there is zero file movement from the beginning to end. With this Goa Excise Management System, the department has seen a drastic reduction in public crowding the offices, and much of the RTI cases and the LAQs have reduced. This has considerably reduced the time, cost, and transportation and human errors also. Data locking as per the law and act is in enforcement from time to time. Up-to-date revenue collection is in place. That is, visuality of the virtual factory is in place. A senior officer from his desk can view the factory status. It reduces the office's paperwork so that the department can spend more time in the enforcement activity. And this introduction of Goa Excise Management System is able to use the NOCs and permit issued in this state by the other state enforcement agencies also. So with this, I would like to once again thank the jury for giving us the opportunity to showcase our product. Thank you, sir.
Well, excellent. I mean, it's very heartwarming to hear such intense details, and my congratulations to you and MD of that.
Thanks a lot.
Very much for joining us.
Have a good day.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of the announcement of third round of Scotch Order of Merit for 75th Scotch Summit.